Haunted Hotel. Lightning, how many times do I got to tell you, what we're doing again for the last time, Mater? I had to my credit card. We was declined, so I had to recharge the money for it. Why? Is it so far? I don't know. It's getting a little bit cloudy lately. You know you should understand that cute little motel. No! Change relax, Mater. We'll be back and eventually, if there was a brain, we'll find another hotel. Thank you. Don't save it.
Whoa, what? Truck? Truck stomper? No. Creepy, true creep. Oh, come on, no, that was bad. Yeah, it was bad. We're trying to go to your sister's wedding. What are you talking about? Hello? Last time, I was freaked out. Everything was ghost, shining references, ghost, shining references, and ghost and shining references. No. Come on, it's not gonna be that. It's gonna shine Roman. I'm gonna die, man. I'm gonna die.
Hello, we got some visitors. Boo! Ah! Okay, wow. Welcome to the trunk shop. Where are you from? Piston Cup? Shut up! Complimentary food. Breakfast starts 6 a.m. ends to 11 a.m. Shut up if you need to. Okay. And hold on. Whoa! Enjoy your stay well. Well, thank you for giving me the creepiest and uncreepiest. Jeez, I ever gotten. Your total is 10 to 70 bucks. What the heck? What kind of ripoff is this? Welcome to the Truck Stopper Hotel. Woo! This hotel is cool better. Enjoy. It's the last time we ever come here. Okay, alright. Let's get in our rooms. Okay. Well, I know I'm not gonna get any sleep. Come on, one time. It's just one time. Yeah, I'm gonna get several nightmares. Feel from this. Huh? Hey, if something that happens, well, leave. Okay. Alright. Good night. Good night. Alright. Alright. Let's see who sleeps first. Oh, okay. You got this. You got this. You got this. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Oh, whatever. I can't sleep. Mater. I hate this. I feel as you use me scared. Whoa. What do you want? I was mentioning. What? Okay. Hello? It's right here. You want? Of course not. Terrified. At least I'm gonna be terrified. I'm gonna be terrified. When I'm gonna be terrified, guess what? I'm staying one night and I'm gonna be terrified. I'm gonna be terrified. Who knows? Guess what? They're not gonna like it. Guess who's gonna be in the best role play ever in my life? I guess that song ain't not bad. We did the mash. What was a great smash? We did the mash. It was death. You rolled smash! It was a difficult smash. We did the mash. It was a graveyard mash. We did the mash. It was a graveyard smash. I did the mash. If you don't the smash. We did the mash. We did the mash. We were grave smash. We did the mash. The guy was on the grave. We did the mash. It was a graveyard smash. We did the mash. It was a graveyard smash. What are you talking about? Ah! It was a graveyard smash. Where's the Mater! You're wicked. Yeah, and guess what? What? I found something creepy. You would like. I don't want to see. Come on. I don't want to see. Come on. Look. What? What? Huh?
Wow, that's very great, Mater. How did you even do that? That's very cool what you did. That was not it. What is it? What is it? It's a ghost. I'm not believing a ghost.
Ah! Come on, come on. What are we gonna do this? We can't do this. We can't do this. I'm not gonna sleep. Me either. Me either. Me either. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I'm sorry, but we just got great. We just got it. All right. We just don't blink. We don't blink a single thing. You got me. I got you, boy. I got you. Whatever happens, we'll do it. Yeah. Oh, I can't sleep. Me either. Lightning, you're right. We're not going back to hotel. Not ever. Agreed.